Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, a quick hair, eyebrow, eyelash beat. Let's get into it. Yes, honey. Relay all day. So, YouTube, yes, this is the finished look. Very soft, very subtle, very pretty. This is generally the look that I give towards, only because during the week I don't have a whole lot of time and during the day to put on a full face of makeup. But for this video, I'll make sure I list all the ingredients below in the description box so you all can see all the products that I used for this video. Oh, I also got my nails done too for the first time in a long time. One fleek. Yes. Okay, guys, okay, y'all, so I accidentally threw my box away, but I ended up finding it. So I got a lot of questions about the hair that I'm wearing. This is what I'm using right here, if you all can see it. And it is the Swiss Lace front wig. It's Tress Blue. It's Swiss Lace premium texture, comfort fitting cap, and it's tangle free. And this is in the color 1. They didn't have 1B, which is like a natural black. They just had a 1. So I ended up getting that. But this is actually a really, really good brand. It's really silky. It's really smooth. And I can tell it doesn't really tangle that bad. I haven't had to oil it or grease it. And I've had this wig for about a month now. And it still, has its wear to it. And it still looks pretty new. Now, I have flat ironed it twice on 370. But other than that, I haven't really been doing anything with it. It's good. So I'm going to go ahead and link all of my ingredients in the description box below. Make sure you all give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And tell me what you think. I'm trying to get this video to 150 likes. Let's see if we can do it, y'all. See you next time.